Hey there, it's Dr. J here, back with another ACS General Chemistry Final practice problem. And so let's take a look at this problem and see if we can get the correct answer. So it says, which of these is linear? So we have H2S, NH3, NO2, and CO2. Now, we cannot answer this question strictly by looking at the formula. What we really need to think about is not only the Lewis structure, but also the electron geometry and subsequently the molecular geometry to answer this question. Let's check it out. So what we can see here when we look at all the Lewis structures for these different compounds, you see that each one of them has different lone pairs that are found on that central atom. And those lone pairs are going to ultimately tell us what the electron geometry and ultimately the molecular geometry will end up being. And so when we look at those, yes, when you look at the Lewis structure, it does look like most of these could be linear with the exception of NH3 because we can see that there's, a couple things that are not linear. But because we have those electron pairs around sulfur, the electron geometry in this case is going to be tetrahedral, but the molecular geometry is actually going to be bent. When we look at NH3, the molecular geometry will be trigonal pyramidal. We'll have bent for NO2, and then the only one that's going to actually be linear is CO2. So hopefully you got that answer right. If you have any other questions about chemistry, be sure to drop them in the comments. Check out my YouTube and join me at my live office hours on Thursdays at 8:30 p.m. Eastern Time. All right, talk to y'all later. Bye.